Oh, hello, please. You can call me DJ Not Nice. I run a dry cleaning service in Detroit. You want black belt? $10 cash. No ticky, no laundry. Here we go. Oh, yeah. I smack a bitch if I have to tell her twice. Here we go, everybody. Help me sing this song. Rocka Rocka Ari, #1 in USA. I talk like Ching Chang Chong. You walk into my store, say hurry up and buy. This is America. They call me Jackie Chan. I come here from Japan. I talk like Ching Chang Chong. Welcome, sing my song. I got that how you count. I give you egg roll now. Don't care if you want steak. I give you by mistake. You want some wonton soup? I give you egg drop. Oops, I talk like Ching Chang Chong. Don't fuck with Viet Cong. With my ninja supplies, I catch you by surprise. I throw my ninja dagger, hit you between the eyes. I took my black eyed peas, while the black eyed peas. Please wear a black tie, please. I tell the black eyed peas. I use my kung fu grit to slap your bitch's tits. My people come to your village and tear your heart to bits. I teach you taekwondo. You come to my condo. I cook up crack, you smoke. You think I be some joke? If you think I'm Chinese, I be like ninja, please. My people come from China, but we not from Beijing. We want Olympic Games because you wimps can't play. My people wear diapers. No time for bathroom breaks. Ching chong.
Ninjas in the place. Do the ching chang chong. Throw your nunchucks in the air. Welcome right sideways vagina.
Call me DJ Not Nice. I eat no food but rice. Ancient Korean recipe I get from Jesus Christ. Have you achieved the Zen? I give you 2 for 10. We drink 2 Heineken. I be your Chinese friend. You bitches grind on me, but now if you Taiwanese, I make you bitches cry with cream of some young guy. I eat my ramen cup. Where did my mom end up? I left her in Tokyo. Those Filipino struts. I don't like Kim Jong-il. He tried to get me killed. He fired blank missiles all up close in my grill. Wait, who just bombed Detroit? The city's been destroyed. It was the Japanese. Hello, remember me?
Motherfuckers in this bitch. Do the ching chang chong.
Yeah, it would be a great honor to enter every vagina in this party. I have disgraced my father for every vagina I have not entered by force. Open sesame, sea chicken, crowded elevators smell different to midget. Confucius say. You ever see Ninja Turtle movie? I was the sword Klansman.